Asset Tree Homes at Pummel launching offer rupees 200 discount per square feet. G-Trap mosquito killer. கொசுக்களை விரட்டாது தேடி பிடித்து கொல்லும்.
It's 20 years to Minsara Kanam. And I remember Rajiv telling us to just go and start dancing in the snow. We were supposed to go and just start dancing in the snow like mad people. There was no music also. We were just supposed to dance to something because because the snow could not be spoiled. So there was no speaker also. So we were just dancing in the snow like mad people. I have to say that I like dabbas. I like beautiful baskets, and I like when they're good-looking boxes and all that. I do. I don't collect them anymore because there's no place for me to keep them in Singapore. I'm vain and shallow. I like the outside more than I like the inside.
Tribhanga is a pose in which the neck, the hips, and the knee are bent in different ways. So it's asymmetrical and bent in 3 different ways. And yet, when you see a person in the Tribhanga pose, it's a very beautiful pose. You know, it's a very sensual sort of pose.
I think good directors. I've worked with good directors and bad directors. I don't think of them as. I think the good directors are just good directors. It doesn't matter what gender they have, and that's the biggest compliment that I can give Renuka because she really is just a good director.
Behind Its Persons with Tharala, இன்னைக்கு என் கூட director Renuka and Kajol இருக்காங்க. Hi and welcome to my show.
Hello.
Thank you. Hi.
How are you doing?
All good.
And Kajol ma'am, it's nice to see you actually. Whenever you do something, no, we get excited because you have become so choosy and you take up a project and we like going crazy and we are just gonna watch the film.
Thank you so much. Yes, I am choosy, I am picky. But for Tribhanga, I will say that I loved the script from the first time that I heard it. And I said yes then and there to Renuka. I said, yes, I'm doing this film and let's go forward with it. So I loved the script and Renuka has not disappointed me as a director. So I think we made a decent film out of that as well.
As we are from southern part and I take this privilege to wish you, it's been 23 years of Minsara Kanavu.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's 20 years to Minsara Kanavu. I didn't know that. Thank you so much.
People here, we still love you and we just, every performance of yours is still fresh for us and we just love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. From my heart, thank you. I'm lucky, I'm blessed.
Can you just recall one incident or one moment that comes to your mind whenever I say Minsara Kanavu?
Oh, lots of incidents, lots of stuff. We were mad at that time also. We've shot in the middle of a train. We've shot on Rohtang Pass. We went up there to shoot, and I remember Rajiv telling us to just go and start dancing in the snow. We were supposed to go and just start dancing in the snow like mad people. There was no music also. We were just supposed to dance to something because the snow could not be spoiled. So there was no speaker also. So we were just dancing in the snow like mad people. So for the wide shot and things like that. So Rajiv has made us do all these mad things. What can I say? And of course, one of my most favorite songs, this thing, Chandare. That was one of my favorite songs. So yeah, that was like amazing, and I loved Prabhudeva's choreography in that. I loved Prabhudeva's choreography throughout. Actually, his choreography was amazing in all the songs. I still think he's one of the most amazing choreographers. So yeah, good memories, lots of good memories. Vennilave, not Chandare. Vennilave.
This is one question my team wanted to ask me. Are you still collecting those dabbas?
I still do. I have to say that I like dabbas. I like beautiful baskets, and I like when they're good-looking boxes and all that. Yes, I do. I don't collect them anymore because there's no place for me to keep them in Singapore. But yeah, I like beautiful baskets and boxes. I'm vain and shallow. I like the outside more than I like the inside.
And Renuka, what is the meaning of Tribhanga? Actually, we are from down south, so we're not much words.
it's actually a part of a lot of our classical dances have
Okay.
this pose, Tribhanga pose, but it's
Okay.
most often used in the Odissi dance. And
Uh-huh.
Tribhanga is a pose in which the neck, the hips, and the knee are bent in different ways, so it's asymmetrical and bent in three different ways. And yet, when you see a person in the Tribhanga pose, it's a very beautiful pose. It's a very sensual sort of pose. So that's the reason why I've given this as a metaphor to the three ladies in my film, Nayan, Anu, and Masha.
How did you get that Kajal ma'am will fit this role?
Ah, actually, what happened was in 2018, I found myself a wonderful producer in Siddharth Malhotra. And Siddharth Malhotra, the moment he heard the script, said to me that Anu has to be played by Kajol. So I said, Kajol, I was like, really, I hadn't even dreamt that I would, kind of approach such a huge star for my film. But he insisted, he said, you narrate it to her. And if she doesn't like it, she'll tell you there and then that she doesn't like it and she's not interested. But if she likes it, then, I mean, so I went to her, and luckily for me, she loved Anu's character and she liked the script also. And that's how once she came on board, then everything became very easy for me to manage.
You might have had a checklist or preset things which like before selecting a script. So what impressed you?
Honestly, I don't have a checklist. I don't have a checklist. I am a reader. I like to read books. So when I look for a script, I look for a script that reminds me of a really good, tight book that I have read. That very few books that I've read that I can't put down. I literally have to like sit up till 3 o'clock in the morning and read the whole book. I have to finish the whole book before I go to sleep at night. So I think every script that I do should have that same appeal to it. And that's really the only thing on my checklist. Yeah. So that's the most important thing on my checklist.
What was the one thing that challenged you?
I think Tribhanga as a film is a very responsible film. It's a very responsible film. So yes, I think it's a big responsibility on your head to be able to play the character as sensitively as possible, of course, and do justice to each and every scene that you have in front of you, and not screw it up. You want to do it right. You can't afford not to do it right, because it matters in the long run, in the whole big picture, all of it. And so yeah, this is it's a huge responsibility, especially for a film like Tribhanga.
And Renuka ma'am, just tell me, how was it working with the ladies, the top ladies, and even Kajol ma'am, we have Mithila. So how was it working with them?
I just love them. I just love them. So I think that I must give kudos to Kajol, because she was our biggest star on the set, and very often the discipline or the kind of atmosphere on the set is dictated by the star, whatever said and done. So I think she set the tone. She's extremely professional. She's very particular about time. There were times that we were not ready with the lighting, but she would be ready and she would come on the set. So we had a lot of fun while doing the film, but we also knew that there is a certain discipline that is required, and that professionalism, she set the tone for that. And she also put everybody else at ease. Co-actors are in awe of her, whether it was Vaibhav Tatwavadi who played Ravindro, whether it was Mithila who played Masha. Tanvi and she, of course, have had done work together in Dushman, so they have a very good equation, luckily. But all the other people, I mean, for them, Kajol is like, they were gobsmacked, literally. And she made everybody feel comfortable, at ease. So everybody could give their best. They were not thinking that they were working with Kajol. Milan thought he was working with Anu. Robindra thought he was working with Anu. That kind of equation got set on. So it was made very easy for me. The other thing I would definitely say is that all the cast is super talented. They just they sank their teeth into their roles, and they were so committed to bringing out those roles in their entirety that it really, really helped. It was an easy job for me. Then I could concentrate on all the other aspects. while these people were already doing their job at that level. So it was wonderful for me. I feel really, really, very lucky to have Kajol and the entire cast.
And we were very lucky to have Renuka as a director because she was such a good director. She was so clear in what she wanted. She was so clear in where every character was, what every character was going to say, when they were going to say it, how they were going to say it. That it makes our job as an actor also much, much easier. And the biggest thing I will say for Renuka is that she's a huge star in her own right. She is. And for her to come on a set without an ego, without all the, without any of the, I am a great actor or, that whole attitude. I think she came on set and the biggest thing was that there was no ego, there was no insecurity. I think everybody on the set was so secure in who they were and in their talent that there was really no insecurity while we were doing the film. And that made it a much, much easier and happier place to be in.
Yeah.
Actually, we could see the compatibility between you and Mithila. That was so real, actually.
Yes, it was. Mithila's a lovely girl. She's a lovely, lovely person to be with. Actually, she's so sweet and so nice. First, I was a little doubtful. Can anybody really be so sweet and nice? But after a little while, I realized that she really is. She's not acting. She really is sweet and she's nice and she's quiet and all of that. So it was good fun to work with her.
And we have seen you and Shah Rukh Khan have a great rapport, and it's like universal. So when can we see the trio come
Thank you.
together? You, Shah Rukh Khan, and Karan.
I have no clue. I really have no clue. You'll have to ask Karan. I have no clue. We'll come together, we'll have a party and we'll pose together for a selfie, but movie I don't know about.
Renuka, what is your favorite performances of Kajol?
Anu.
Yeah,
I
definitely
love her,
Anu.
I love her, Simran.
Okay,
From Dilwale, and I like her in Fana also. Dushman also.
Okay, that's too many. You're supposed to choose one.
That's many, yeah, that's too many. Dekho, I can't choose.
Kajol, what is your next project? So when can we expect you again?
I don't know. No known project as of now. I have not said yes to anything. So I am right now nothing. I have not said yes to anything. I'm listening to a lot of scripts. I'm spending all this time listening to lots of stories, and but I haven't said yes to anything as of now.
Please do something in Tamil also. It would be great for us.
I would love to.
Difference between working with a women director or female director or male director, is that any difference?
I think good directors. I've worked with good directors and bad directors. I don't think of them as. I think the good directors are just good directors. It doesn't matter what gender they have, and that's the biggest compliment that I can give Renuka because she really is just a good director. Yes, Tribhanga is a female-centric film. It could not have been written by a man. But yes, I think Renuka's done a fabulous job directing. Please watch it. It's on Netflix streaming now.
Thank you so much, both of you. Had a lovely conversation.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Asset Tree Homes at Pummel launching offer ₹200 discount per square feet. G-Trap mosquito killer. கொசுக்களை விரட்டாது தேடி பிடித்து கொல்லும்.